So the problem was the space behind the couch, the wall space. Everything just seemed wrong above the couch. My solution came from repurposing these snowflakes that I had framed decades ago. My grandmother cut these snowflakes out of tissue paper. They're really delicate and intricate. You could do this part yourself. If you don't have snowflakes, you could create them. Or also if you have doilies from your grandparents or great-grandparents, it would also work really well. I removed them from the velvet blue that didn't work in my house, and I purchased a whole bunch of frames, a gallery set from Amazon, black backing and white matting. It really makes everything look modern and brand new. I used office paper to make a pattern of each of the frames. The patterns were really important because I was able to arrange things a couple of different ways and a few different formations to get it the way I wanted and to get the balance the way I wanted it to be. But there it is. It was less than $100. It took one afternoon, and now a space that used to drive me nuts is one of my most favorite places in the entire house.